scary.
Keep doing it then. Come on, make it go out.
Why you have punch overseas?
Make it flash then. Or try and move the torch if you want. Try and see if you can move the torch. Blow the torch along the table for us. Because you're too scared.
You'll just burn the rest of your camp down.
Come on, do that again to the torch. Come on, do that again.
It's got this way.
Well done, thank you. Can you try and do it a wee bit harder and put it out? Or try and make the big torch flicker.